How to start a streak on Snapchat in 2024. Snapchat streaks are a fun way to stay connected. Now, first open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, find a friend you want to start a streak with. You can do this by swiping right to go to the chat screen and selecting a friend from your chat list. To start a streak, you need to send a snap. Tap on the camera icon, take a picture or video, and then tap on the send button. And make sure to send it to your friend. Now, for the streak to start, your friend needs to send a snap back to you within 24 hours. This will create the first day of your streak. To keep the streak going, both you and your friend need to send at least one snap to each other every day. You'll see a fire emoji next to your friend's name, indicating that your streak has started. And that's it. You've successfully started a streak on Snapchat. Remember to send snaps every day to keep the streak alive.